the University of Chicago with Wild Garden Foods. They're doing a week-long food truck tour around Chicago this week. And make sure you check them out on their website and visit them on Facebook at Wild Garden and see where they will be throughout the week for lunch and dinner, I think. So they're giving out free samples of such good food, of chicken and bulgur, all with their marinades that you could find, I think, Jewel Osco, Whole Foods. You can see exactly the list of where you could buy their products. And it's just so delicious. I just got here actually, and meeting a lot of really great people from Wild Garden and the co-founder and everyone in their team, and tasting the products, which is so delicious. So make sure you check them out and like them on Facebook and find them this week.
We have a smaller van parked in the corner, so me and my team, we go to Lower Wacker, Southside Canal, Church, Mercy Home. We give out more free foods for people in need.
Awesome,
right?
Yeah, that's great. Thank you.